Hello, and welcome to my channel. We're excited to join you in exploring the most cutting-edge technologies available today. In this video, we'll delve into the world of mirrorless cameras, devices that have transformed photography and videography. With their compact yet powerful designs, exceptional autofocus features, remarkable image quality, and a versatile lens ecosystem, these cameras are ideal for beginners and experienced professionals. Today, we'll review 5 of the leading mirrorless cameras on the market, providing a comprehensive overview to assist you in making an informed choice. Detailed product information can be found in the description below. Let's get started. Canon EOS R5 Mark II, an icon of versatility. First up is the Canon EOS R5 Mark II, a significant leap forward from the already impressive EOS R5, renowned for its 45-megapixel sensor and 8K video capabilities. This updated version introduces a modern stacked sensor that virtually eliminates rolling shutter distortion, a major upgrade for action photographers. A dual processor system enhances overall processing speed, making the R5 Mark II an optimal choice for scenarios requiring rapid response. The autofocus system has been refined with intelligent modes capable of recognizing sports like soccer and basketball, automatically determining focus points based on the ball's position and the subject's posture, and supporting recognition of up to 10 stored faces. A standout feature is the Eye Control AF technology, which tracks the user's eye movements through the viewfinder to select subjects, a truly groundbreaking innovation. Additionally, in-camera image upscaling can boost resolution by 400%, equivalent to 180 megapixels, delivering astonishing detail. While the EOS R1 caters to dedicated sports photography, the R5 Mark II offers a well-rounded solution at a more competitive price point compared to the Sony A1. Number 4. Nikon Z6 III. Exceptional balance in the mid-range segment. Next, we have the Nikon Z6 III, a substantial upgrade over the Z6 II, outshining competitors like the Canon EOS R6 II in the mid-range category. Its 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor may not lead in detail, but its top-tier electronic viewfinder, EVF, provides an exceptional viewing experience. The camera supports burst shooting at 60 frames per second in JPEG format, with an autofocus system optimized for low light conditions and reliable subject tracking. For video, the Z6 III offers 6K at 60 frames per second, oversampled 4K RAW, and slow motion options up to 240 frames per second in full HD, with recording times reaching up to 120 minutes without a cooling fan. This hybrid camera excels across a range of needs, from still photography to video production. For those who don't frequently shoot action or video, the more affordable Z6 II remains a viable option, but the Z6 III stands out with its all-around performance. Number 3. Nikon Z8, flagship power in an optimized design. Taking the third spot is the Nikon Z8, a scaled-down version of the Z9 that delivers outstanding performance in a more compact body. Its 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor produces razor-sharp stills and smooth 8K video, meeting the demands of both photography and professional videography. While it doesn't match the 61 megapixel resolution of the Sony A7RV, the Z8 excels in speed thanks to its fully electronic shutter. It achieves burst rates of 20 frames per second or 120 frames per second at 11 megapixels, capturing every moment of fast-paced action. Its smaller size compared to the Z9, paired with a reasonable price, makes it a practical choice for a wide range of users. That said, battery life is somewhat limited, and in-body stabilization is only adequate. I see the Z8 as clear evidence that flagship-level performance can be packaged in a user-friendly design without breaking the bank. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix S5 II, a video specialist in a compact form. The Panasonic Lumix S5 II, the successor to the highly regarded S5, is one of the standout video cameras in its class. While marketed as a hybrid, it truly shines in videography. Its 6K video at 30 frames per second delivers impressive detail, with a wide dynamic range and 10-bit recording supported across nearly all resolutions. A key advantage is its ability to use the full sensor without cropping, complemented by a robust, ergonomic design and well-placed controls. As Panasonic's first mirrorless camera with phase detection autofocus for video, paired with effective stabilization, it ensures crisp footage even when shooting handheld. However, the 1.5x crop in 4K 60 FPS mode may be a drawback for some. Compared to the more compact Lumix GH6 or the pro-oriented S1H, the S5 Sound remains an excellent choice for those seeking a full-frame camera focused on high-quality video. Number 1. Fujifilm X-S20, the optimal choice for all users. Topping our list is the Fujifilm X-S20, a camera I hold in high regard and consider an ideal companion for creative pursuits. Building on the X-S10's foundation, the X-S20 blends ease of use with professional-grade performance. Its 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, paired with the X Processor 5, delivers exceptional image quality, while 6K video at 30 frames per second in 10-bit meets modern content creation needs. Improved battery life and a compact, ergonomically optimized design ensure comfort during extended use. The refined control interface caters to beginners, with features like vlog mode, automatic scene detection, and enhanced subject tracking. In-body stabilization performs admirably, providing consistent quality for both stills and handheld video. I'm particularly impressed with the X-S20 for 3 key reasons. First, Fujifilm's signature color rendition, courtesy of film simulation modes like Classic Chrome and Provia, produces images with depth and artistry straight out of the camera, minimizing post-processing time, which is invaluable in my professional workflow. Second, the X-S20 offers an intuitive user experience. Its button layout and responsiveness make it a joy to use, especially in fast-paced shooting scenarios. Third, its reasonable price relative to its capabilities makes it a smart investment compared to higher-end alternatives. The only downside is its lack of weather sealing, but this doesn't overshadow its overall value. To me, the X-S20 is more than just a tool. It's a source of creative inspiration, and I wholeheartedly recommend it to everyone from novices to experts. We hope this video has provided a detailed and valuable look at the best mirrorless cameras available today. Each model offers unique strengths, and your final choice will depend on your specific needs. If you have questions or want to share your experiences, especially with the Fujifilm X-S20, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.